Here's the second video of that alley canoe. I'm going to show you the bottom skin of the boat. You can see it's in excellent shape. Really no damage. We had 12 days on the river. This boat was brand new before our trip. 0 rocks on the river we went down. So literally this thing has never hit a rock. Dragged it across a lot of mud. You can see it looks great. I don't see anything of issue anywhere on the skin. Here's the number. This is the flotation piece. The light gray would be the bottom side, so this would be what rests against the green skin. You can see no issues at all on this skin, and you also see there's nothing poking all the way through. You saw those pieces of duct tape on the top side. Those were just surface issues. Nothing actually penetrates this skin. Couple of wrinkles, couple of creases. This whole boat will roll up and it will fit into this black bag. I purchased that. 20-inch diameter, 48 inches long, completely packed up. We put it on the float plane. She was 52 pounds.